Daylight, my MVVs, welcome. Queen Naomi is rumored to have appeared before a magistrate court in Ibadan today. And Queen Naomi, alongside the radio people who collaborated with her, and they were charged with willful negligence and and 4 other counts. And there is you do know that what has been going on is that, if the information is correct, is that people have been funding families and to press charges. That is what is going on right now. It hurt me so much. Like, my feelings are so hurt. I feel so bad. I feel so terrible. And as if things are not as bad as they are right now, she's very exhausted. She said even if she's going to quietly hack by, she doesn't need the help of the monarch again. She turns the monarch's I don't know, hands down, because she's very upset. So I don't know how to give you this news, though, Daylight, but I want you to know that this is what is going on and you need to know. There were about 4 of them that appeared before a magistrate court, and it's as sad as it can be. It said they have to be reminded in detention. And the reason why Queen Naomi has to be reminded in detention is because of the fact that families are pressing. Families are asking for justice for their loved ones that passed. And this is not a small case. So it's sad. It's sad. And today they said Queen Naomi's uncle cried so much that if they had listened to him, Queen Naomi would never have returned back to this man. That if Queen Naomi had not gone back to this man, he is very sure these things would not have happened. That where are all the elite right now? So this is where we are as it is right now, even though we know that there is help. Okpebi is there, and they are doing everything that is within their power. They said Oni of Ife is also pressing all the buttons. But it does seem as if the wives are overpowering him. It does seem as if there's an extent to what he can do. The situation has not changed from what it used to be. I feel so bad because Olori Naomi never meant any harm. Olori Naomi meant well. Hi, Jesus Christ. What do you call this? Is this fate or what? But I know that our God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we can ever think or imagine. I want you to know that we had our people there again today. We got a report that she is in a very good place. Yes, she is in a very good place. She is well taken care of. She's well catered for and all of that. You know that this thing in this country is who knows who. But the truth remains that, the information is being disseminated out there. And the fact that all of these people are sponsoring people to press charges is one very big problem right now. Because 7 of those families backed out, and they said that she never meant any evil. That if they press charges, their son will not return back, and their daughters, 7 out of the rest. But others are pressing charges against this people, Olori Naomi and the radio station. They are. And it's a very terrible situation. It's very sad, but it is what it is. Honestly. People were in court, supporters of Olori Naomi, they were there. Our people were also there. Yes. People from Delaram, they were there. Yes, from Delaram, we had our people. They even took a picture of Olori Naomi, which they sent to me. Sorry about that noise. So it's my son. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. It feels really terrible. Like I was saying, they took pictures of Queen Naomi, which they sent to me. I cannot even post them here. If you see her, you feel so bad. And you guys are celebrating. I don't want to ruin your celebration. It's terrible. We need to continue to pray for Lori Naomi. There's more to this than meets the eyes. Sorry, forget all the noises all over the place on so many different blogs with so many different stories and all of that. It is a terrible situation. You know, with this like this, with situation like this, you begin to wonder, this war, how do we even live in this kind of war? Where a very good intention can turn to something so bad. A very good intention has put Naomi in this situation. But we must continue to pray because we know that God is going to come through for her. Naomi is a beautiful lady. She's a celebrity. She is an honest, intelligent, and everything. Naomi has a lot of diehard fans all over the place. When my people got there today, you know, they got there yesterday, and today, I'm not going to lie to you, they were not allowed to see Olori Naomi. Yes, they were not allowed to see Olori Naomi. Like, they wanted to go see so they can talk with her. They were not allowed to. Naomi is kind of separated from others. Naomi is in a very good place, a good facility, well taken care of and all of that. But one of the biggest problems that we have is the fact that people will continue to press. They want to see injustice and all of that. So we have people who are already speculating that Naomi is not in detention as she's supposed to be, thereby making the families get really, really upset. And so right now, I am glad that they did what they did so that the entire world will know that Naomi is where she is supposed to be. You understand, right? Yeah, I really know that you people understand what is going on. Because the Naomi that you see today, it looks as though people want Naomi to buy. They just want to buy her completely. And God is going to stand up for Olori Naomi. Yes, I don't know if you saw that video or if you saw her. That was real. And they needed to do that. And so that all of these people who are asking for justice, they want to see justice served and all of that can calm down. Okay? So unfortunately, it's looking as though Naomi will have to go through this Christmas season and all of that. But God, there is God. Everything will be fine. Go to bed and sleep. Enjoy yourself. For those of you who cried the way I have been crying, just understand that yes, she has depreciated so much. She is not eating. She is exhausted. She is weak. She's thinking and all of that. But I need you to know that she is in a good place. She is well handled and she is well taken care of. But people need, of course, to see what's going on, and so that the calm would be there. This is the information we are hearing. If the information is true, I do know that Dela right, you guys understand what this is about. You've seen my usual character. I am calm, but these are all alleged, rumored, and speculated information making the rounds on social media. I'll appreciate you guys.